Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do the Eiffel Tower string trick. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a rather large loop of string right here, and the bigger that your loop of string is, the taller that your Eiffel Tower will be. So it's up to you, but this is the size that I'm choosing to use. What you want to do is get your loop of string and you want to place it around your thumb and your pinky in either hand, okay? And what you're going to do is take your index finger and pick up the palm string on either hand, okay? Now we have this figure right here. We're going to drop our thumbs out, as you can see, stretch it out. And then we have our pinky string right over here, the far pinky string. I'm going to reach under and I'm going to grab that pinky string, the far pinky string, and bring it back like that, okay? This is what we have now. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to reach over this near index string and under the further index string and bring it back with our thumbs. That's what it looks like right now. We're going to take our pinkies, we're going to drop our pinkies out of it, as you can see right here. And then now the pinkies go over this far index string right here. And then under this next string, pull it back like that. That's what we have next. Now we're going to drop out our thumbs. We're going to get this almost like an X-like pattern, as you can see. The thumbs are going to go over the index strings and then under and into the pinky loops that you see right there, pull it back like that, okay? Now we're going to do something interesting. We're going to take the loop that's around the index finger, we're going to bring it over the thumb as well as the index. So it's still staying on the index, but it's going over the thumb. And then the lower string on the thumb gets brought over the thumb onto the palm side. Okay, same thing with the other hand. I'll show you again. The index loop goes over the thumb as well, and then the lower thumb string goes over the thumb onto the palm side. Stretch it out just very gently, and what you're going to notice is you're going to have these little triangles on either side. You see the triangles right there? You're going to take your index fingers, drop them through the triangles, so push them through the triangles. You're going to remove your pinky, and at the same time you're going to rotate your hands and open up your index and thumb. So now that my index fingers are through the triangles, I'm going to remove my pinky, rotate the hand, open it up like that. We have that figure, and to turn it into the Eiffel Tower, you close one hand. And what we have here is the Eiffel Tower string trick. Really easy to do, really cool, and you can make it as tall or as short as you want. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.